How do you swim?
I puppet.
Well, we're going to do the puppets in a minute. How do you swim? Look, can't catch me. Is he going to catch him? Can you see him? Can you see him? Snap! He caught the fish. How many fish? 2, 3, 4. What's the cat in the hat gonna do? You can't catch me. He's swimming over. Oh, he ate the fish.
Go away from me.
3. How do you swim? Stay right there. Can't catch me. Do your finger. Oh, he's swimming up. Is he gonna get? Snap! Did he get it? It got away. He's trying to eat the fish? Are you trying to eat your fish now? Don't put it in your mouth. You're silly. Catch me. You can't catch me. Is he going to get him? Look, Livy, is he going to get him? Oh, snap.
That slippery fish. Get away from me.
One fish. You can't.